The introduction of the BMW Titan concept marks a radical shift in just how crazy and outlandish motorcycle design can become, especially from a brand more identified with precision than flash. Derived from the recently introduced R1300R Roadster, which itself replaced the venerable R1250R, this radical concept throws convention to the wind, indicating a greater design freedom at BMW Motorrad. While the base R1300R provides evolutionary handling and performance improvements, the Titan explodes into life as a crazy reimagining of what a roadster can look and feel like when all traditional limitations are ignored. This is not merely an adapted version of a production bike, it's an outright mechanical spectacle. Its design draws heavily from the custom and modified motorcycle universe. With its exposed engineering and aggressive posture, the entire front end of the Titan appears to be in a perpetual braking dive, with the fork rake Titan to create the sensation of radical forward weight transfer. It gives the motorcycle a nearly cartoonish appearance, as if it's been suspended in a nanosecond of some crazy stunt. It looks like each surface, component, and visual element on the Titan has been chosen to celebrate raw machinery. Whereas most naked bikes today compromise with hints of their internal machinery, the Titan lays it all bare, proudly showing off the iconic Boxer twin-cylinder engine that pumps out 143 horsepower. The titanium Akrapovic exhaust system, which splits from each cylinder and swoops elegantly over the rear wheel, is not just a performance upgrade, it's a styling highlight, merging form with aggressive intent. Carbon fiber is central to the Titan's aesthetics. The fuel tank is clad in a sharp-edged carbon panel, which incorporates a sculpted airway for the large cone intake filter to breathe unrestricted. This visual pipe runs uninterrupted to the rear, creating a sleek, minimalist seat that disregards practicality. Any suggestion of a pillion seat or rear mudguard has vanished. The Titan is not concerned with passenger comfort or road-legal trickery. It's all about provoking, challenging, and intriguing. Despite its uncompromising aesthetics, the Titan also suggests a story of high-performance street manners. It doesn't just appear quick, it has the performance upgrades to support it. Possibly the most eyebrow-raising element is the exposed NOS, nitrous oxide, bottle mounted amongst the dual tailpipes. It's a blatant reference to drag racing and underground tuner culture, the sort of element never, if ever, seen in official concept bikes from major producers. This addition is a signal that the Titan is constructed not just for show, but for scorching, short-burst performance capable of leaving bystanders and competitors in its wake. To offset the added power and prevent uncontrollable wheelies off the line, the Titan employs a drag-style extended swing arm in back. The rear geometry stretch helps to keep the bike glued during hard launches, planting the bike even when all of the torque is unleashed. It's a trick learned in the world of street racers and performance stunt riders and applied here with surgical precision and theatrical drama. Conceptually, the Titan is a love letter to motorcycling's rebellious soul, a realm ruled not by regulations, comfort, or mass appeal, but passion, adrenaline, and pure creative freedom. It's hard to see this exact version reaching dealerships, but BMW Motorrad does have a track record of boiling down concept bike audacity into future production bikes. Even if the NOS system and radical swing arm never make it to the showroom, the spirit of the Titan, its audacity, its visual drama, its mechanical honesty, can likely be felt in BMW motorcycles to come. Aside from design language, the Titan also raises questions about the future of high-performance motorcycles and how far manufacturers will go. It challenges the idea that serious engineering must come wrapped in subdued, functional packaging. Instead, it proposes a third path in which high performance is married to uncompromising individuality, with inspiration drawn as much from tuning culture as from traditional motorsports. It's a difference that matters because it places the emphasis not on lap times or competition heritage, but on the emotional and aesthetic impact a bike can have just sitting at a stoplight or ripping up city streets. There's growing appetite among younger riders and enthusiasts for motorcycles that are as much moving works of art as they are performance machines. In that regard, the Titan is an aggressive step in acknowledging that appetite. Its aggressive styling, stunt bike-inspired layout, and do-anything attitude toward design point toward a future where motorcycle design can be edgier, freer, and nearer to the subcultures that use riding not just as transport or racing, but as identity expression, period. BMW wanting to go there with the Titan says a lot about a shift in brand philosophy, one that is now apparently more open to accepting the edginess and unpredictability of the street culture as part of its DNA. This is interesting, particularly when stacked up against the occasionally buttoned-down image of BMW's automobile arm. The notion of BMW introducing a car concept with NOS and styled like a tuner shop dream would have been unlikely. Yet Motorrad has made such a leap look easy and even exhilarating. Although the Titan remains a concept, the door that it opens will not be closing anytime soon. Its unveiling could prompt internal discussions across the industry, challenging other manufacturers to rethink how concept bikes can address a new generation of riders. And it begs the question, could there be room for cross-pollination within BMW itself? If Motorrad can create something this outlandish, perhaps the car division of the company could be persuaded to do the same. Imagine an M2 concept that embraces tuning culture with the same bravado. In brief, the Titan is not a motorcycle, it's a message. It defies convention, dares to be different, and succeeds in making a bold statement regarding the future of motorcycle design. It celebrates mechanical beauty unapologetically and reignites the fire of two-wheeled rebellion with a modern twist. For people who thought factory bikes couldn't be as wild as custom bikes, the Titan proves them wrong. A new benchmark for what a concept bike can dream of being.